guys, it's me and Isabella.
And Daniela, we're in a hurry right now because it's raining outside.
It's literally pouring,
Yeah.
and we're on my way to get, if you see that, okay,
We're
so
just scared.
We're going to show you, well, not pictures, but videos of us going in the rain, and we are literally on our bikes right now.
Yeah.
So, started. Okay, ready? Danielle goes first.
Okay. So I'm going in this mid puddle right here. There's some little ones right here. Woo! Oh my gosh, I got that. Dude, I'm gonna go right there. My bike.
What? Go. Let's do some magic.
Okay, so we're recording Isabella now. She's doing that all over because she did it too. Now she has to be careful with my bike because it's on the floor. Woo. Ah! Now there's a deep one. Yeah, so we're gonna stop by.